Hey guys, in this video we're gonna learn how you can refund V-Bucks over on your Epic Games store. So make sure to watch the video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. Alright, so let's get started. I'm pretty sure that you already know that the V-Bucks are only available for Fortnite. It's the Fortnite game currency, and if you have purchased V-Bucks in your Fortnite and you want to refund that uh, and you want to get a refund from Epic Games store, so unfortunately it's not possible. Once you have purchased a V-Bucks, now you cannot get a refund. So make sure that from now and onwards, uh, do remember that once you purchase the V-Bucks, after that you cannot refund them. But there's a way through which you can get the refund of any of the game which you have purchased on your Epic Games store. And for that, you simply navigate up to the top right, click on your profile icon, and then you're gonna go to account. Once you click on that, it will redirect you to the browser. And in the account settings, now you're gonna go to transactions, and here you can see these all are the purchases which I have purchased from Epic Games. But you can see these all are the free games which I have got. But if you have paid some bucks to Epic Games, over here you will get a refund option on that specific game. So once you click on that, Epic Games will ask for some information. So you have to substitute the details like your email address, etc. Then you have to submit the request for a refund. Then Epic Games will notify you back through your email address, and definitely you will get the refund. So this is basically how you can get the refund on Epic Games store, but you cannot refund your V-Bucks from Fortnite. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.